how are you doing today? In today's phonics lesson, we will learn the sound of the letter N. This is the letter N and it makes the sound Let's try saying a few words which start with the sound. N is for net. Net. N is for nut. Nut. N is for nose. Nose. N is for nail. Nail. N is for nest. Nest. N is for nurse. Nurse. N is for noodles. Noodles. N is for necklace. Necklace. N is for notebook. Notebook. And not to forget me, N is for nightingale. Nightingale. That's all in this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you would like to see more such videos, subscribe to this channel. See you again very soon in another video. Until next time, goodbye and do take good care.